In recent years, technology has transformed the way people interact and communicate with each other. The invention of the internet, smartphones, and social media platforms has brought people from different parts of the world closer together, allowing for instant communication, regardless of distance. Now, friends, families, and colleagues can stay connected with a single click, and information is more accessible than ever before. However, some argue that technology has also impacted the quality of human connections. While people are more connected online, face-to-face interactions have decreased. Many people spend hours scrolling through social media or messaging friends online rather than meeting in person. This shift has raised questions about whether technology is helping or harming real human relationships. Studies suggest that excessive use of social media may lead to feelings of loneliness and isolation, especially among young people. Despite these concerns, technology also brings benefits to relationships. Video calls allow families living in different countries to see each other and share special moments. Online communities give people a place to connect with others who share their interests, no matter where they live. For people who may feel isolated in their physical surroundings, these virtual connections can offer a sense of belonging. Ultimately, technology's impact on human connections is complex. It offers incredible opportunities for people to stay in touch and build relationships, but also challenges individuals to find a balance. As technology continues to advance, the way people navigate these connections will play a crucial role in shaping the future of human relationships. Now it's quiz time. Question 1. How has technology primarily changed the way people communicate? A. By reducing long-distance calls. B. By increasing the cost of communication. C. By enabling instant communication across distances. D. By decreasing the use of social media. Answer. C. By enabling instant communication across distances. Question 2. What is a potential negative effect of technology on human connections? According to the passage, A. Technology limits access to information. B. Technology leads to a decrease in face-to-face interactions. C. Technology makes it difficult to communicate quickly. D. Technology increases the cost of connecting with others. Answer. B. Technology leads to a decrease in face-to-face interactions. Question 3. According to studies mentioned in the passage, what feeling can excessive social media use lead to? A. Excitement. B. Creativity. C. Loneliness. D. Curiosity. Answer. C. Loneliness. Question 4. How does technology benefit relationships, as mentioned in the passage? A. It prevents people from connecting with strangers. B. It reduces the need for face-to-face interactions. C. It allows people to stay in touch regardless of distance. D. It eliminates the need for real-time communication. Answer. C. It allows people to stay in touch regardless of distance. Question 5. What is a way technology supports people who feel isolated in their physical surroundings? A. By providing online communities. B. By reducing the need to interact online. C. By discouraging virtual friendships. D. By promoting isolation. Answer. A. By providing online communities.